cannot recruit because there is a ban on recruitment. And it is also unfortunate your community seem not to be appreciating what we are doing together with the partners. They installed the solar panel there. We need to protect jealously what we receive from the ministry and the partners. They are for our own good. Those who put the solar there are not even in cover. It's out of generosity that we received this solar, but because of selfishness, we have lost it. So we need to be the security officers for our facilities. If we are united, we definitely will fight such kind of criminality. But if we think that it belongs to government, then Sauria government, we shall not achieve. Yeah, and then the chairman, Kaharo, thanking. Yeah, that was an emergency. Actually, I'd written to the cow, I'm closing Akomo Center 3 if they were not going to accept us to put something there urgent like the OPD. So we thank the cow and the district executive for, and the council, district council for approving this project as an emergency. Now for staff house, when you move to all the other facilities, and then you reach Kaharo, one will say, why is Kaharo having some structures for the staff to sleep and yet others don't have, and they are doing even a lot of work? Yeah, so putting a staff house will depend also on how you are actually telling us that your staff are 24 hours at facility and they are yielding results. Water will the cow, I give it to cow, and we lobby that the works department looks at this issue as a serious issue, because there is no good hygiene and sanitation when there is no water. We need water in our maternity, we need water all the time to wash hands at facility, and even in our homes we need this water in Kaharo. So it is very genuine. I will request you take it up. The issue of the road is still beyond me. I just passed it to the car, and it is very true. When I went to supervising Chuzurera, I got stuck. Some people helped us to move. Even the road, you have to leave the vehicle somewhere. So it is very necessary for us to work on this road. And Chuzurera is one of our health center tools, which is also giving us good results. And since the chairperson is here, I just want to tell you we appreciated your staff. We bought a blood pressure machine for that health center too, using the unconditional grant from the government, and we also bought for them the stethoscope to use, plus something to help the babies breathe. We bought those items, the same we did to Nyamiriango, because Nyamiriango in like 3 quarters can deliver more than 45, in just 3 months, can deliver more than 40 or 50 mothers. But move to Butanda, they may deliver like 20 or 19 in 3 months. So if we have the powers, we can actually put the health center 3 in Nyamiriango. Thank you.
Ogarushemu abana babuza n'ababinde bibari kwenda ngo bagurire konke shonga zabo zibudirweho ozigarukire.
Wewe kutunyeta webale niza kubanza ndetse cyengundo reach ya Chizura and nanengudo kuba bimwe general district ibine bikorwa by'enjura zibiri nyingi zikaba nyingi munonga ubwira buzabera zikwamu ingo zibe zikwamu zibe nyingi munonga kugira ngo twasa kutayo ebyoma akuba kubeno basa kutayo k'icyoma kiza kusika ingo bizo muninga omubyondo. So tuje kuba takora chango kugira ngo ezenguro zabone zibwo konkati tubentushaba umukama tuhereza kashana namwe katandishire kandi 2020 bekanisa kugira ngo akasete kabeka rubaju course kabikaruho natkaruho ntabwo no bunacherwa desiko bunacherwa kwisha nabyo ni nyaprovinga claims za engineer kuza gukora ibitebyo echamizi na n'ubuyonjo water and sanitation na health facilities n'ikirungi munoga of course twena tukireba akwa twenda kurwanisa indwara kugira ngo tuziragurira kandi ikiri kuzireta cyo kureta indwara n'uburofu amizi mabi amwe na no kwejunda umyanya itariyo amizi gakajwangana na nagabantu na n'ibintu bikorwa mu bantu abantu bakarwarisheshe na korera so twabona kasente na nakasente kagumza muri keja tuzakakwataje tukate health centers tutewa mizi marunji kugira ngo na nebiyo biyonzo kugira ngo kubire butakajanja.
Okay, hariho development
nda ikinecha ubahire budget kongeraho iko abataka bakigata tukagezeho twayikunganya twayombekera abanasi bitu irwariro nk'abataka kunga kutwikire umadirisa twaremo twino permanent house y'emiryango ebiri ngeyikwantu jango mu budget yanyu mutwongerere rwigwariro abashaho babonaho kutaha kandi twine kizibunke rwigwariro ndi serving abuhara sub county umuruka gwa buhara wona niho bari kuza katoche na pati ya kanjobe konka bane barete mibazi ni baretera nko muruka gumwe ngene rwigwariro aho ubwirishimiye kuzana health center 3 aho kubari rikwereza bingi
amazina ganje ni banyeta Constance Akankwasa chairperson Humik Sasa Health Center 2 ekibuzo cyanje nkigenda OADHO itwe nk'abati sasa tukombeka irwariro nk'abataka kandi twagiye kolera government atatukolirireho konka kunaninde mu kugamba kweye hariho health center ishatu eziyagambaho ezitari kwakira mibazi rwabwo kubati ziri confirmed mbeno aho niho nanimburiza itwe nk'abanyakisasa ntwija kuba confirmed batahabwo kuba nitwo mwanya gwitu guri hard to reach kandi ogira bwenjura flood zirija zijureyo okushuma kamugangu zikira bakituberire kizibu cyango mwebale mnongo
yebare Constance
amazina ganje ndibakirwa Chelsea ni chairman Humiki Burambira Parish ecanje niko kuhabura mbwira bakaturabamo bari kutubuza uburemezi butwine ubumarwariro bwito kandi twabihandika aba amurefe byo byona babine nani ndeto kabara ngo kuzo mu byo bitabo baka reports bakazikompilinga byone biri kwetengwa bakabitamameza ganyu eyibishemerire kuza kukira kwemerera buri muntu akeburiza nabwo tine uyini rwariro riri okay ritarimo biri kuburamo kandi bihandije ngo shiburi mutwaraza kugambekeye yaha turya rugaha abo tibakwateye cyose tukagumizamo
yebare munonga ko twakigambireho yebare Charles reka tugira ubutebekana reka tugira ubucurera tonka bamwe na bamwe ntubantwenda ngo mubaze kugamba hanuya citizens hearing niko bari kujeta ekiganiro cy'abataka cy'abaturage nicyo tuberire hano
Kwesiga William ndi in charge wa Ndogwa West Health Sub District nyine ebuzo bibiri ecyo kubanza nyenda kugamba hari kubuza hari health financing na kuchira munonge ndi kukireta hakugira experience indi kureba hari rubaya kotare turatunga ka PHC kace katuma utilities ahigwaro rya rubaya zaturema kecho kureberaho yumeme umuregi kota twine outstanding bills za electricity ziraisa 1 million kandi buri kota turatunga esente ziri around 2.7 million so kandi hati Dr. witu atirima mani omu bintu byo kushemeza kandi turetaga amashanyarazi ubwire bwene umuregi cottage ne wire tubere turastrogolinga n'abawumeme turazayo turabagayininga ngo turataho konka nayo kugambira hati ubasa kushanga nawe yabagihira chikondo aho kuba namara ibiro bibiri ntari so nandi kubuza kijustive yitu umuregi financial ya itkwenda kutandika kandi amani tugatera functionalization of theaters ni mwenda kutongera haka PHC kugira ngo tubase kumaintaininga utilities ayigwaro tutatunga problem. Then echakabi ambulances ziri kututeganisa mnongo. Ambulances zitu zikuzire, we last got ambulances nka 15 years ago. No kuzimanajinga, it is what? A problem. So na ninyenda kubuza district yitwe basize ku attracting vehicles for the district leadership at the headquarters ino kutubasa kuyamba health center for kutunga functional ambulances.
Wewe munonga master of ceremonies amazina ni muwanzi Andrew kandi ndi in charge wa Ndorwa East Health Sub District in Stamamazi wa Health Center 4. Namazima bagamba ngu 4 staffs bali accommodate 6 staffs bali accommodated ali Maziwa Health Center. Konka Maziwa Health Center 4 ekatandika eli sub dispensary. So bali kora za Health Center 4 baji promotinga Health Center 4 status. Yawa Health Center 4 konka ebyombe ko byabire ineke ine enjibiri z'abashaho. So batahenje yindi ya doctor. So ezo nizonju heza ezigari Maziwa Health Center 4. So obwawe tiya no bagamba ngo abashaho ne accommodating abashaho mukaga. Omu butegane accommodating abashatu abandi abo bagamba nibataho mu kiju ecyabire kirokare ekigwaro ryatandikineho semi permanent house is almost collapsing. Mwami mugisha na hakimanya na neza twatugo management hamwe twabarambuza nibakimanya. So ebizibu bya accommodation nekizibu cy'amana ari Maziwa. Ekindi kubuza bari kutekayo amagwaro bari kugapa upgrading kakumo bari waja upgrading ejege mu Ndorwa West. Ecyakabiri eji financial ya bari kuzakora ahari butanda kugihereza mwe sente zirupika miliyoni rushanju kugira ngo aja upgrading nijani benda kugikora Health Center 4 nayo. Ekindi omu program bine program kugira ngo kashereje iziti kashereje inaga karujango kashereje nyi bari kuja miliyoni 500 kugira ngo eza status ni ntekerezo nke ya center 3 Maziwa side yitu nkandorwa East tukakora Uganda. Ebe bintu nibikorwa ibagama mwe kigamba equity tulikora bintu muteka nanga tulikora mu budani buteka.
Twaza kutandika necha plana
district plana agakaba district government. Ekibuzo ino abuza ekibuzo twakine na budgeting ari kubuza ngo bonkaba takabaterundana batandika structure a health facility kuba ikama disa bali mkonka government ekabonjeraho ejo structure ekaba function namazibanje basa kwa possible konka ngena kweje sabe echo kibuzo budget ya district ekakoguru na kurumwe ngeni zantu basa utahindura shangu mu budget twabanza kora budget tandikana mu kwezi kwa mwenda na hati twamazire kora iyo mwaka gwo 2018 kutandika no kwa mwenda ko umwaka nza kutandika kora 2019 na 20 ni tandika tuta ni hawo ruchiko enchiko zikwatandikana na omuruka parish level meetings ejo parish level meetings zisharamwe bari kwenda kwekolera bishaba kiraho sub county budget conference ejo niyo nkuru munonga ejo sub county budget conference nestamamo sub county council na councilor wa sub county uri kushira district. So ubwo councilor kwali kusiga ikintu kimwe uri kwenda mu cyaro cyane muta expectinga district kwane chibugane kashikoraho mwapurikiza so kansara wa sub county kwari kuleta report ya mu district council omulimo gwandika plana ni company ngejo report ni kula kutwara mu deck district executive kugarira sente izo kora imirimo ya district policy ya government eyi tukwenda tukukoleraho chebo kwa twine health center 2 buri muruka turi kumwe health center 3 buri gomborora health center 4 buri constituency so agari kwa upgrading nyina tugaruke tukashurushume aguyagambaho nikagendera mu policy ejo ningatika kugendera eriza report ina tunga from Ministry of Finance negira ngo twaza kwindura itekeje cyegombo ebyumuruka egomborora na constituency then egomborora yari z'abantu emitwaro 8 na kashanje netijira health center series 2 so aho niyo policy ya government mbasa kweshurujuma turebe ukwiteka ry'turugamba mwe bari munonga
mwe byawe tubonezwa DHO.
It's true, the health budget has been reducing, but when you look at the budget we are implementing this financial year, we had a fair distribution. Only that we had some challenges. Some facilities of Rubanda district, 6 of them are public and 3 public not-for-profit were funded by Cavalry. So that affected us. But in the first 2 quarters, the 2 HSDs and the health center force received around 7 million. And that's why we were able to carry out the health promotion and disease prevention events in those sub-counties. This quarter, we gave the health center force uniformly 3.5 million. Now, we also have reproductive health voucher program, and this project attracts some funds. If we can clear some of these bills using some of the funds coming from voucher, maybe we can reduce. It is true the bills are going up. And then the other thing I would advise the health sub-district in charge, William, is that if this electricity is meant for theatre, let it be used strictly in theatre. If the staff are using it, then we are the ones increasing the bill. So find out, are we using this electricity in theatre, OPD, and maybe inpatient, which has to get the power? If we are not doing that, then we have to adjust as soon as possible to reverse the situation. Then 2, you also need to read the meter. I was away. When I moved away for the last 2 weeks, I was not in the district. I came and I found a meter reading which is different from what is in the meter. I had a bill, and the bill does not correspond with what is in the meter. And I went to Meme to inquire, how did they take a reading and print out which is not the same as what I'm seeing in the meter? And they could not explain. So those things happen. You should take the reading as they bring to you, you also read from there. They can overestimate because they think that your theater is 24 hours doing the work. Yet you don't operate mothers every day. Increasing PHC, that one planner and the cow can answer with Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Health. And even the issues of the old ambulances, in many meetings of the DHOs, we have raised this. Then staff house, very old, collapsing in Maziba. It is true. I've been in Maziba, was it on Monday? Yeah, I was there on Monday. This house needs really to be worked on, but we have not been receiving capital development fund. So it has not been easy for us to work on it. But of course, we also welcome partners who would love to work with us and have the human resource comfortable to come and support we work together. Not being considered for upgrading and many other things which has been mentioned by the HSD in charge, as a health office, we don't have documented evidence. If there is a paper somewhere, maybe people saw this paper, but I think we should wait until it matures and it comes out. For now, we don't have evidence at the office that something is going to be done for Butanda or Kasereje. Yeah. Then I also have something here from the management chairperson for Chisasa Health Center 2. I had already answered this question. I submitted Chisasa, Chigarama, Muyungu, and Buramba to Ministry of Health to be considered for medicine credit line 2018-2019 financial year. The ministry level, we are just waiting to get a communication from the ministry to National Medical Stores to authorize NMS to give medicines to Chisasa. Good and been redistributing medicines and medical supplies to run the 4 health center tools.
HO, Chief Administrative Officer, briefly, and we'll get our last 5.
Nicho tukuza kugira ngo ninzaga kamwebi. Small funding ya health centers, small financing. So kugira ngo a health center 5 million, of course turewa ninji. Tumanyangu it is somebody's pocket money sometimes. So konka kokuza okuza kuarrivinga yezo baba kwasiri national budget ya health bagabizamu number of health centers batungezo ngwezo nzonziramaye. So kategereze ubundi budget yakumane the increasing national year by year tuja kugira nyinshi kuka meanwhile tuja kubantu tunga tujunsa eziturukutunga okurikirira amdemo yazo. So echinchi kiri at national level kiri at kugira ngo budget yihanga yayongera nitweza hanzi za kuyongera. So kunka 30 zo turagumenta korora wezo 5 million totine kitukora eziturukutunga nitwe zo turukugabiza mahansi chachi esente ambulances ezibaheza kuhereza emyaka 15 ehingwire nizo tuchinde. So wata katwehurize ezindi district of course budget yazo nayo limited akwa 98% yes certain questions are district in the center. So is talk when to gra ambulance ugomteme twine akuba twine vote ya ambulance yo gura ambulance tukustungeza. So twataka zitunga tugendera center a national program where parliamentarians bakaba jigambaho through their committee kuja ku replacingeza ambulances ezikuzi.
Yebare twaza kwakira echo nanisha bomsindalo gwishoro bajoro twendere.
Ikiriza yona digiso wa Kitumba Subcounty. Niwe kindenda kubuza ndenda kukibuza kaho amwe na DHO. Waza health centers orashanga abashaho batene uniform. Hariho abashaho bamwe abarasha bakasente, abashaho bamwe abatwere bacendera azihabara kunywa kukana barashuka babandi bari mu ba. Ekiri kugamba ndakimanya. Hatiya abashaho babatene uniform oryamanyota ngo wanyizo mugwere noha kanda atari identified oryamanyota ngo guri clinical officer ogundi nursing officer nenga ni midwife bati
yebare mnonga sebo nibaza
kuchani Kagweza Norbert Paul chairman Humi Katenga Health Center 2. Ekibuzo cyanje nalishi okushaba kwanje nkuzaha deck eyi supplementary ya million 3 ziri kuza. So Katenga Health Center iheruka kutekwaho omwiko n'ingaro ingaro z'omufundi 1984 so netaga rehabilitation ndikushaba ngo obu ezo 7 million bishakinana zitakabiri allocated ngo kuba ni mu zibagabaga umutekateko Katenga Health Center to ebe rehabilitated. Thank you.
Izina ndi Barijona Chike Mr. Martin, chairperson Kigarama Health Center 2. Ate chinyine nokushima na Mulonga Fred ahi atisha nokutukumura. Kandi na hatia I highly appreciate response. Izi leaders bitu bona bagira bata batwa abo kuba ziri positive. Kurekana abanyara kushore kintu cy'umwana. Amagana aisha zahika na ninjira ko bibuzo nebyakurataho ni mumanya kigeze kwera na Uganda kwera aisha zahika ndikushaba ngo muri kazaramwe ngo twikirize tugire bata kandi bibuzo bagumizemo bari kubi gumuhereze amani abirete abisomo ofisi amagana gacira amagana kandi utayo kuto tariyo ki tinyenye abaheyi bo babasa kugumiza mu abaheyi
webare oyabemera umukorogu niwe kibuzo canje kiraza amazina ni Rworoba Banada chairman wa Humik Kajanga Health Center 2 ndasima ishongore cha kwidi eki gerizaho katwegesa n'ebikwatire no kunda magara gaitu ndaruka Karujanga ejo village ugomuka kwine village 19 twine kizibu cy'abakazi okuzara abo kuba umwanya ogo aho barazara n'ihari twine rya Karimera ni kilomita 8 kuzayo twine Kambuganguzi ni kilomita 5 kuzayo mbweni twe kwashazemo twaja katwombeka maternity twayika twajisa Adamu Kosi mwendi kubuza yatonde twaji tujombekire konka twaremi mwendi kuhabuza ka district itwe murenda kutuyamba henshi ezo ndakibuza cyane ndi kubuza abebembeza babona baryaho hari
konka tukora kusemeza abantu abakazi na meja sajja zindi abwa amashanyarazi so ombe batenze na urataga amashanyarazi no basa ku renovating irwaro renovating theater konka atari amashanyarazi mu theater na no mu wodi y'abakazi yo wamutwara kuba eshanka mukaga kusyasha nina yaza kugum theater na basa kuyindukaho ninga amashanyarazi gateka anto kwasa kubikesha gama yo kubasa kuteko mu muntu theater no wako ina natist no basa mtagiye good. So suggestion yanje anejendo mu political leaders kugira ngo babasa kwa advocatinga up to the ministry level na parliament mwa mtajino budget ya